Have you ever felt like you're navigating a maze filled with hidden traps? That's what dealing with the legal and regulatory landscape of real estate investments can feel like. Welcome back to ECMP Studios. I'm Amit Grover, and today we're diving into the intricate world of legal and regulatory considerations that can significantly impact your real estate portfolio diversification. With a focus on land, retail, and industrial properties, navigating these legal waters is crucial for protecting your investments and ensuring long-term success. Let's explore some key aspects. First, zoning laws and land use. Think of zoning laws like relationship boundaries. They define what you can and cannot do with your property. Understanding zoning regulations is crucial, especially when investing in land. For example, some areas are zoned strictly for residential use, while others might allow for commercial or industrial development. Violating these laws can lead to costly fines or forced changes to your property, disrupting your investment plans. Second, building codes and safety regulations. Compliance with building codes and safety regulations is non-negotiable, much like trust in a relationship. These codes ensure that properties meet safety standards affecting everything from construction materials to emergency exits. For industrial properties, this might include specific requirements for handling hazardous materials or ensuring worker safety. Retail spaces must meet accessibility standards and fire codes, which can vary by location. Third, environmental regulations. Environmental laws are like the unspoken rules of a relationship. Ignore them at your own peril. Be aware of these, especially if you're involved in developing new properties or renovating old ones. Issues like asbestos, lead paint, and proper waste disposal can pose significant risks and lead to serious penalties if mishandled. For land investments, understanding wetland protections or contamination issues is crucial before breaking ground. Fourth, landlord-tenant laws. These regulations cover everything from lease agreements to tenant rights and eviction procedures, similar to understanding each other's boundaries in a relationship. Understanding these laws can help you manage your retail or industrial properties more effectively and avoid legal disputes. For instance, knowing the eviction laws in your area is crucial to managing retail tenants, particularly in times of economic downturn. Fifth, fair housing standard. Ensuring compliance with fair housing regulations is essential, much like fairness in any relationship. These laws prevent discrimination based on race, color, national origin, religion, sex, familial status, or disability. Non-compliance can and most likely will result in severe penalties and damage to your reputation. This is particularly relevant when developing land for residential use or converting industrial space into mixed-use developments. Sixth, contract law. Real estate transactions are bound by contracts, so a solid grasp of contract laws is indispensable. This includes understanding the terms and conditions of purchase agreements, lease contracts, and financing documents. Missteps here can lead to costly legal battles, much like misunderstanding in a relationship can lead to a major fallout. Reflect on how these legal considerations influence your investment decisions. Are you fully compliant with the laws and regulations affecting your properties? How can you ensure that your investments are protected from potential legal pitfalls? Next time, we're going to discuss estate planning and real estate investments, where we will dive into how to structure your real estate holdings to optimize for future planning and legacy building. And remember, if you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for ECMP Studios. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay